How to use WhatsApp notification customization tool. To do that, simply open your WhatsApp app and tap on your vertical dot at the top right corner and tap on settings. And under settings, simply scroll down and you'll find notification panel, tap on notification. And from here, you'll be able to customize everything about the app. For example, like conversation tone. If you want to play sound for incoming and outgoing messages, simply make sure you toggle this icon on. For occasional reminders about messages, make sure you toggle this on. And how do you like this sound to play? For that, tap on notification tone and from here select the list of sound available on your device, or you can also select customize from your device. And once you tap on one sound, that sound will be played when any messages or ringtones comes. To control your vibrate setting, tap on vibrate and from here you can tap how long you want to vibrate, like long, short, or you just want to turn it off, and then tap on OK. And to control light, tap on here and select the option that you prefer and tap on OK. And similarly, you can control the same settings for groups, notification, vibrate and light, and also for the calls, even for status. And from here, using this setting, this is the complete customization tool of the WhatsApp. You can control all the notification from this settings. And that's for the video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, consider give a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.